Hi, welcome back. I Priya Jam. Today we'll teach you all how to make chicken kati rolls, which are really yummy and delicious. We shall start. In a bowl, we whisk in 2 tablespoons of curds, 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander, 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon green chili, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Whisk all of this well and apply it to the chicken. Marinate it for a minimum of half an hour. While this is getting marinated, we heat a pan with the oil. We put 2 tablespoons of oil. Use 1 cup of lengthwise cut onions. Saute the onions. Saute the onions until soft. The onions have become soft. Now we add in the tomatoes, which are again cut lengthwise. That is also 1 cup. Cook for another 2 minutes. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I am adding less of salt because we have added the chaat masala into the marination of the chicken. The chicken is marinated for half an hour. Now we add it into the pan. Cook the chicken until tender. I think the chicken is nearly done. We shall open the lid and see. Yes, the chicken is really done. It's really moist and nice. We put off the gas. I have used big pieces of boneless chicken so that we don't get small pieces like how we get outside to eat in a kati roll. So this will be really chunky chicken, you know. Now we will start making the kati roll. First I take 1 egg. I whisk it with a little salt. We are removing the chicken and keeping it aside. This is a tortilla. First we take some chutney and apply it in the center. Then we take the chicken mixture and spread it evenly. We take some sliced onions, a few, 3 or 4 sliced tomatoes, and some very little chaat masala and some cumin powder. As we did for the paneer kati roll, now we are doing the same manner for the chicken kati roll. We fold it in the same manner. First the 2 sides, the left and the right, then the forward tortilla in inner, and then you roll it. You seal it with a little egg. Here your kati roll is ready. You do another one. The pan is hot. Put the kati roll for roasting. Baste it with a little bit of egg. See, the color is looking so beautiful. The goldenish color is really looking beautiful because of the egg. People don't put egg on top, but I prefer putting egg on top because it gives you a better flavor and it feels more richer to eat. It's nicely done. We shall remove it from the pan and serve it. Serve it along with some chutney. The kati rolls are done. Really looking very delicious. If you like what I cook, please like, share and subscribe to the Cookbook channel. Thank you.